टीचर पर जब मैंने कलम चलाई ना, तो मेरे जहन में सबसे पहले यह ख्याल आया कि एक टीचर को कैसे होना चाहिए। क्या टीचर ऐसा हो जो हमें डरा धमका कर हमें अक्षर ज्ञान करवाए, या टीचर ऐसा होना चाहिए जो हमें एक सरल सहज वातावरण दे और हमारे भीतर की छिपी सभी आंतरिक शक्तियों को बाहर निकालकर हमें सेल्फ मोटिवेट करे कि हम कुछ ऐसा करें जिसे करके हमें खुद पर गर्व महसूस हो। मेरे ख्याल से जो दूसरा विकल्प है वो बेहतर नहीं बेहतरीन है। और टीचर पर ये जो मेरी रचना है, पहले मैंने हिंदी में लिखी, फिर मैंने सोचा इंग्लिश में भी ट्राई करते हैं। तो कुछ इस प्रकार से टीचर, इसमें मैंने लिखा है सारा जो वर्ड्स हैं अल्फ़ाबेटिकली, टी से लाइन, ई से, ए से, CHER, ऐसे। टीचर, टीचर शेप्स स्टूडेंट्स बॉडी माइंड एंड सोल। E, eager to inculcate the moral values in students' life. A, always ready to help and groom his student. C, caring, loving, grooming, and being approachable are basic traits of the teacher. Caring, loving, grooming, and being approachable are basic traits of the teacher. H, helping nature of the teacher is real asset of the student so that he may say all his problems. He can share all his problems with his teacher. E, eye opener is other quality of the teacher. He shows the path, awares us with all the hurdles and possibilities in student's life. R, respect to a teacher, he recognizes the hidden, sleeping power of a student. He helps the student to do his best, but without any pressure. Teacher teaches us to think in a proper way. He teaches us not to worry. शिष्य हो, गुरु होकर रामकृष्ण परमहंस सा, शिष्य विवेकानंद बन जाता है। गुरु होकर चाणक्य सा, शिष्य गुरु होकर चाणक्य सा, शिष्य चंद्रगुप्त सा बन जाता है। और गुरु होकर वशिष्ठ सा, शिष्य राम से मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम राम बन जाता है। सबके भीतर छिपे हनुमान को गुरु बाहर निकाल कर लाता है। दबाव नहीं प्रभाव है गुरु, मुझे तो इतना समझ में आता है। दबाव नहीं प्रभाव है गुरु, मुझे तो इतना ही समझ में आता है। मेरे ख्याल से ये टीचर की बेस्ट डेफिनेशन है। फिर भी मैंने इसे आगे कुछ और शब्दों में पिरोने की एक कोशिश की है। द ट्रू गुरु कन्वर्ट्स द बैरन हार्टलैंड ऑफ डिसाइपल इनटू द फर्टाइल लैंड। The true Guru converts the barren heartland of disciple into fertile land. चित्त की बंजर भूमि को गुरु ही उपजाऊ बनाता है। When the Guru embodies Ramakrishna Paramhans grace, the disciple ascends to Vivekananda's place. गुरु होकर रामकृष्ण परमहंस सा, शिष्य विवेकानंद बन जाता है। A golden enlightened guru, like pure gold, molds his disciple into the radiant gemstone. बहुत सच्चाई है। With wisdom deep, he sees our core, lifts us high from the earthly floor. True teacher cares mental, physical health of the student. He will convey his message in the way that will not hurt the student's heart. सच्चे गुरु के लफ्ज़ और लहजे दोनों ही नरम होते हैं। A teacher's task is not just to teach, but to spark a fire beyond our reach. Teacher know our potential and he should shape the student by his best means. Teacher is not a pressure. He is the impression on the mind, heart and soul of the student. Teacher's work is not to create the terror and fear. His work is to develop the ability to perform best. His duty is to help the students to reach his destination, to achieve his goal. चिंतन जरूरी है, चिंता नहीं. It is teacher's duty to inculcate feelings like this. Teacher touches our heart. Teacher enhances your power. His words are soothing balm. His words are Sanjeevani booty, oxygen. Support system. Teacher is our best support system. Out of fear, students' output will not come out in the adequate way. Teacher's duty is to clear the concepts of the student. He should not force anything. He should provide a platform where the student can see all the possibilities. Selection of the student matters. Discipline doesn't mean the strictness. It is a realization what is best for us and how a student should set his daily routine to meet his aim. This is the true definition of discipline. A guru sharpens our logical mind, brings clarity, leaving doubts behind. In truth, a guru is the one so wise who turns our passion into the profession. I like this line too much. कितनी बड़ी बात कही है. In truth, a guru is one so wise who turns our passion into the profession. A guru is a guide who introduces us with the hidden human and his strength inside. A black and bright, a rising sun who banishes darkness one by one. कितनी अच्छी लाइन है ना. Life is no bed of roses here, challenges are always near, yet a guru makes us shine through struggles deep and lessons fine. Failures does not define the end. They are where success can begin again. Have patience, child, don't lose your way. A true guru will always say. Have patience, child, don't lose your way. A true guru will always say. A guru wise like says Vashisht makes a student like Ram exist. गुरु अगर वशिष्ठ सा शिष्य राम से मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम राम बन जाता है. He keeps the soul so pure and bright, guides the heart to what is the right. Greed and anger, pride and hate, a guru saves us from all these our fate. A guru saves us from this our fate. Compassion, love and virtues rare. With these jewels he makes us fair. Brother be like Bharat, not Duryodhan. Brother be like Bharat, not like Duryodhan. History tells guides us at every juncture. Embrace the virtue of Ram, not Ravan's path. Ignite the spark of such noble values in your heart. A guru lights the path to escape's life, every snare. He vanishes the minds from worry, teaching contemplation's flare by guiding resolve to meet success decrees. A guru fulfills their duty by uniting determination with accomplishment as guru shapes our destiny. A guru like great Chanakya stands molding Chandragupta into the king with guiding hands. गुरु अगर चाणक्य सा शिष्य चंद्रगुप्त बन जाता है. He sees both strength and flaws in thee and leads you where you ought to be. He is a lamp, the path, the guide, a shaping force so true inside. He gives not sight but vision wide and feels his heart swell up with pride. A hammer strong, a sizzle fine, he craves the soul to let it shine. He teaches deeds of worth so high that shape the fate we can't deny. A guru imparts the significance of deeds in our lives just, teaching us to be diligent, striving for our best. Victory and defeat are but parts of the life's play. In joy and sorrow alike, the Guru shows the way. Life is a journey. Walk ahead, a Guru's wisdom softly said. The monsoon doesn't last all 12 months. Autumn, winter, spring also come and go. Seasons change, so does the tide. A guru teaches us that change is inevitable, guiding us to embrace life's ebb and flow. A guru lifts the spirit tall, makes confidence our armor all. Like Krishna, wise and true at heart, he gives Arjun the Gita's part. गुरु होकर माधव सा शिष्य पार्थ को गीता ज्ञान समझ में आता है. ड्यूटी इज फर्स्ट बिफोर यूर राइट. He shows this seed so firm and tight. Through every lesson, every way, a guru shapes both night and day. Lessons come from young and old, from every soul, from hearts so bold. No age, no caste, no faith does bind. When wisdom strikes, it clears the mind. A guru turns each doubt to grace, brings peace and calm in every place. He lights the road, he shows the way, he makes us walk, he makes us stay. Not just books, but lessons wise, a guru makes the soul arise. With vision sharp and wisdom pure, he builds a life so firm, so sure. A guru bestows not just sight, but a vision true, teaching us to perceive the world anew. Through constant guidance, our virtues bloom, daily refining us, dispelling all gloom. While Google offers letters in vast supply, अक्षर ज्ञान तो हमें गूगल बाबा ही बहुत दे देता है. A guru instills faith in action, reaching high, amidst boundaries, possibilities that gleam. A guru nurtures in disciples the dream to transcend the good and achieve the supreme. Dreams so high, they keep us awake. A guru teaches how to make not just knowledge, not just lore. A guru gives the heart its core. Amidst a multitude of choices vast, the guru becomes our guiding mast, illuminating paths with wisdom's light, steering us true, discerning wrong from right. A true guru ignites a spark within our mind, transforming into the joy and purest kind. A true guru, blessing rare. बहुत कुछ कह दिया गुरु के बारे में, और जितना कहो उतना कम, क्योंकि गुरु तो वो है. गुरु हमें भयभीत नहीं करते, हमें डराते नहीं, हमारी कैपेबिलिटी, हमारी क्षमताओं पर शंका नहीं करते. अगर किसी चीज़ में हमारी कैपेबिलिटी कम है तो उसे बढ़ाने में सहायक होते हैं, हमें हैरास नहीं करते. गुरु है तो शिष्य है, सही तो कहा है ना. गुरु हो गर वशिष्ठ सा, शिष्य राम से मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम राम बन जाता है. गुरुर ब्रह्मा गुरुर विष्णु